Before we go into this videos, I just wanted to let you guys know that Zaful, they will have really huge sale on November, and plus on top of that they will have Black Friday sales. So make sure you head over there and check out their products. They'll have a lot of varieties of clothes. I'll make sure I'll leave all the information down below. Hello guys, and Tenzo is here too. Hi, say hi Tenzo. Hi everybody. You just want to play. And do you see the canvas behind me? Woohoo! I just put it up. Yeah, really like it. So I have that canvas and this canvas now. Today we're gonna do unboxing Zaful haul. It's gonna be fall/winter. Yep. But most of the clothes that I order is more of like for fall instead of winter. Some of items you probably can wear in winter. But you know what? Let's just get into it. I'm so excited because look at this gigantic. Look at this gigantic bag. It's like bigger than my head. Holy shit. Oh, have a hole here because I just want to make sure if it's from Zaful or not. And yep, it is. Let's just open it. Dun, dun, dun. Oh shit. Oh gosh. I work out, so I should have a lot of strength, but so I work out. I just use all my muscle. Just kidding. So, oh my goodness, it's so big. Sorry if like my mouth make you feel annoying, because I feel annoying with myself too. Like I have to go like that every time because I feel like I can't swallow my saliva right. I don't know, I just feel weird. Yeah, don't mind me. Yeah, let's just go into it. Okay, what I get. Oh, sorry. Let's see what I get here. Oh, I got their jacket. Yeah, this say brown small, made in China. Let's just open this. This one must be the furry jacket that I saw on their website. Oops. How do I open this? The zip is over here. I guess it's just all in there. I'm just gonna crack it open. Oh, it looks like this? Huh. Interesting. Okay, and it says Zaful there. It's big, but that's what I need. This is size small, by the way. It's gonna be like a long kind. Wanna try it on already. There's stop! Oh my gosh, he tried to eat my jacket. You know what? How about we put it on right now? Let's see what else we got. Furry is a crop or a sweater. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, it's so soft, guys. It's really soft. Look at it. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. And it says Zaful Forever Young. Ooh. It's so soft, but it will be so comfortable to wear this in the house, chilling, or even you want to wear it outside. It's totally up to you. Yep, I already got small in this one. I believe that like the smallest size in there. Small. Some items they have extra small, some of the items they don't have extra small, so just this will fit me perfect though. I can tell already. Let's see what else we got. as you can see from the picture or from the print of the shirt, I believe is a crop sweater, and I got size small, white color. Let's see how this is. As you know, I love crop top, I love sweater crop, I love hoodie crop, so this is a hoodie crop. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. The material is pretty nice, and they sew at the end. It's not like raw cut or anything. So yeah, this is really cute, and material quite soft. Let's have, yep, can't wait to try it on. Oh, it's so lovely. I love white hoodies. Let's go to the next one. Ooh, what is this? I don't remember this. Chestnut red, small. That's all it said. Of course, it's this piece. Oh, look pretty big, but hopefully it will fit me okay. Kind of cute. I was thinking, you know, have some winter dress or fall dress. It might come in handy when you want to dress up in winter times and stuff like that. But it's still quite long and big, so we'll see how it will fit. But the material is not bad. A little thin though, you can kind of see through it a bit, but you know, I don't mind, because you can wear something on top of it, and it's a turtleneck, so really like that. Have some buttons going on there. We're gonna have to try it out. So you know that type of crop sweater that they cut this part off and basically show your boobie part. So I never had one of that, and I saw on ZAFUL. I'm like, you know what? It would be fun to try it. So can't wait to see how it goes. But material's not bad at all, and it has like this rainbow strip, 2 sides. Pretty. Pretty. Oh, I love crop top so much. And this one is ZAFUL Sport in black color, small. What's this? You wanna go down? Come on. No. You little monster. So, look like this. It doesn't feel like a sporty shirt, but it's not bad feeling. I can even pair this one with like a jeans or anything like that to wear it out instead of wear it to the gym, because it feels more of like cottony kind. Just look like that. So, and oh, it has like a design going on here on the arms too. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. It looks pretty good so far. And what is this one? Sport. Okay, what did I get? I believe it's in size small. Yeah, it is in size small. Oh, I got hair, like a set. Honey, can you stop whining? Oh, does this feel like a sport material for sure? Oh yeah, it's stretchy. Yeah. That's how it looks like. I love the color though. It's like that pattern style. Like that. Wanna go down? There. So like that. It's a crop top. And I got the bottom. Ooh, seems like the bottom a little bit big for me for sure. I can tell already. It looks quite big, but you know what? We're gonna have to try it on to find out if it's big or not. So, and I got this crop sweater. So cute. This one is remind me of like an 80s style, you know, that type of thing. Yeah. It's really quite comfortable. It's not like a special material or anything. It's just kind of regular t-shirt or sweatshirt material. Yeah, and that's the fabric look like, and it's not raw edge cut or anything. I love how like they have like a different pattern and you know, yellow, white, black, and kind of look cool. And the back look like that. And I also grab a jogger in black color with the stripe on the side. Yeah, this one quite nice also. It's not see-through, it's sweat proof. I can wear this to the gym. That's perfect because right now it's kind of cold. Feel like I want to wear something comfortable to the gym, like jogger, sweater. So I will pair jogger and sweater crop together and head out the door, that type of thing, you know. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day. And I'll make sure I'll leave all the link down below if you're interested to purchase some, so it's easy for you guys to find. I'll leave it down below. Yeah. We'll see you guys later, guys. Bye.